Well, good morning, folks. How's your day going or your night? It always depends what part of the earth you live on. All of my downline in Asia, they are 15 hours ahead of me here in Utah. That blows my mind away. It's like they're already eating dinner and I'm barely getting up having a nice mug of coffee or tea or who knows what I drink in the morning. But anyway, it's always great to be able to hopefully give you some good advice or some tips, some information about, in this case, Live Good. Okay. And if you're already joined, awesome. All right. And if you're thinking about joining this opportunity, why don't I just promote my link? Joincory.com. Just go there right now. Put your name and email address in. Hit that little reserve my position now button. It doesn't mean you've joined. It just means you'll get some nice emails about Live Good and you can get more education. And if you want to joincory.com, put your name and email address in, then go to your email, open it up, and you can join through your email, okay? It's pretty simple. So I want to just tell you a little bit about Live Good. We're almost 2 years old, December 13th of 2024. And today I think is December 5th. It's my real birthday tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited. My birthday is almost the same as Live Good. That's kind of cool. We're heading into the holidays of, I guess Christmas and New Year's, just a handful of weeks away. So 2025's hauling ass. It's almost here, right? We're doing about 1.6, almost 1.7 million members and affiliates worldwide. Awesome, isn't it? And oh my gosh, we're in over 200 countries, doing about $15 million of sales, which are mostly wholesale based. And we got about 50 products. We have 5 brand new products coming out. I think by tomorrow, Ben, our CEO said, all with the skin. All right, so we're going to have like 50, 55 products. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 products eventually, more than that. And for $9.95, you can go to Live Good. Just go in, log in, and shop until your heart is content, okay, at wholesale prices. All right, that's the deal. I want to just show you a little bit what you're going to get in if you got $9.95 a month or $49.95. $40 to be an affiliate, because if you're going to join Live Good, I want you to earn money, okay? It's great to just shop as a customer. It's awesome to save money as a member. But you know what? For only $40, two $20 bills, come on. Let's get you aboard as an affiliate. I want you to earn more money than what it takes. Let's say 50 to $100. Is that what it takes to make you happy on Live Good products? Well, why don't we get you making $100 so that all your products are free? All right, that's a pretty darn cool thing. So this is what Live Good's website looks like. Now, when you go to the products page, this is what it's going to look like. Every product, you're going to see pictures of it. You can see a little description of each. Click the white button and you can, let's just pick one. How about, where's Super Reds? How about Super Reds? This is my favorite product that we sell. So you hit the little white rectangle button and check it out, guys. Look at how much information you get. The wholesale pricing, retail still cheap. All right, look at that. You can see exactly what the container looks like. Just hit the little thumbnails. There's a little video too, well produced. There's the description. Just scroll down. You can see all our seals of approval. We have the best products, guys, hands down. How to use the product. You can even see our competition, Super Beats and Organifi and Super Reds. Why are we so darn affordable? Because we're a wholesale company, guys. We don't profit on the product. We focus on wholesale pricing so you can afford to take these products or resell them out of the trunk of your car, your gym, or maybe on Amazon. Okay? We're a membership-based website. And check it out, all the nice reviews. And remember, just go to the products page and hit the white rectangle, and every product we sell will be described to you folks. Now, scroll to the bottom. You can see there's certain packages. All right? So if you want to get your skin nice and cool looking and sexy, or maybe you want some multivitamins, maybe lose some weight. All right? We have so many products, guys. There's the packages. Go to the bottom if you'd like some shirts. How about maybe a hoodie for the winter? It's getting a little cold now. All right. And there's some hats. I bought all of them. I'm a big hat guy. It covers my big giant forehead. Okay, here's the second thing I want you to do. So number 1, go to the products. Number 2, I want you to go to the FAQ section. Because look at this, guys. Look at how many questions are there. See that? And guess what? When you click it, it's answered. So go and just check out every single question. That's all you got to do, FAQ. Now, how do you get paid? Pay plan. Go to the very bottom of your cell phone or the website, and it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay, we get 7 paydays. All right, when it comes to the membership recruiting thing. Look at this. Look at that. Just all of these little trinkets of change. Now, I'm not going to sit and discuss all 7 because it takes too long and it's kind of boring, to be honest. But go to the bottom of the pay plan page here. Watch this very well produced Live Good video about the comp plan and say hello to my pretty friend here. She's all by her lonesome. So just hit the button there. It's a YouTube video and it explains everything perfectly about the pay plan. Okay. Now, what's exciting, guys, I'm going to end the video with the contest that just popped up a couple of days ago. Now, today is December 5th as I produce this video. And you can see our CEO, Ben Glinsky, last year he gave away $50,000 cash. This year he's going to up it another 25 grand and spread it out nicely. Okay. So go ahead and just screenshot this or go to my Facebook page, or I'm going to have a link that goes to this poster. And if you're in Live Good already, just check your email because you have a nice email about this contest I'm talking about. Here's week 1. Okay. This ends today, December 5th. Okay. And all you had to do is give away 1 free health assessment. Okay. I've already done a whole bunch. So right now I'm qualified to win $5,000. I'm excited, man. And check it out, 2,500, 1,500. All right, this is kind of exciting. And all I had to do this week was get a health assessment. And if you want to see what the health assessment is, go to freehealthsurvey.com. Free Health Survey is SURVEY, freehealthsurvey.com. You guys take the survey. It's about 4 minutes. And you'll get a nice evaluation from Dr. Ryan Goodkin. I almost said Dr. Ryan Livegood. Dr. Ryan Goodkin. He's going to give you a full evaluation and tell you what's probably best for, high blood pressure, diabetes, losing weight. Okay. Now, week 2, this starts tomorrow. December, right there. I'm sorry, right. Okay, there. I'm looking at the right one. Okay. Week number 2, you can see the winner will also receive $5,000 for the week if you enroll just 1 member. Okay, I just enrolled 4 the last 6 days. So this coming week for week number 2's contest, heck yeah, I want to kick some butt and get qualified to win $5 grand. Okay. Also week number 3, place a product order. So in a couple weeks, I'll probably order some Super Reds. I love the coffee and the protein powder. Okay, that's an easy qualification. Why not try to win $5 grand? Okay, and then the 4th week, which starts coming up, let's see, you get $5 grand as well. Okay, but just read the poster, guys. It's pretty simple. Just do the best you can to order products, get people to sign up as an affiliate, or at least give away the free health assessment. Okay, and look at that. Coming up the first week of January, okay, Friday, January 3rd, there's going to be a $10,000 cash prize, along with the 5, the 2,500, 1 grand, and 500. Okay, so this whole contest, and this is for people that are, obviously members and affiliates, but I just wanted to kind of draw some sunshine to it. This is kind of fun. You might even accidentally win this $5 grand because wonder if you do some health assessments and you don't even know what you're doing, and you get a nice email from the company saying you just won $5K. Okay? All this month in December. Look at that. That's a lot of $5,000, man. That's so cool. And I can't wait for January 3rd. That's going to be exciting. All right. So anyway, to recap, let me hold up my business cards. If you're not in Live Good, check it out. I'll help you out. I'll do everything I can to make it nice and easy and fun for you. Okay. Joincory.com. Get your business cards for $25. Get your domain name for like $10, $11 at GoDaddy. I'd like to get you on an email program and maybe look into some software, some techniques that make me definitely rise above. Guys, I'm number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.6 million people. Okay, and I've only been doing this business, period, for 1.5 years. I haven't been doing this 5 to 10 to 30 years building up lists and stuff. That's not me. All I do is just invite you to a link. I'm really good at inviting you to the party. Guys, you want to go to a party? Come on, go to joincory.com. Let me know what you think after you watch a short video. 6-minute video, that's it, guys. Okay, I want you to do exactly what I do. Make things simple. Business card, a nice GoDaddy domain name, and forward it to a capture page, and just learn how to be captivating or exciting or mysterious or just compelling. Like, I've got to click that link. What is that person talking about? Who's that guy dressed in yellow with the Suzuki hat? Okay, what is that joincory.com? Okay, you don't have to do video like I'm doing. There's so many things you can do. Posting on social media, there's emailing, there is so many ways to get people. And you want people looking for an online business where they want to make money at home. They're searching for you. They're like, please, I have a headache. My headache is financial. And I just want to make some money at home. I just want to make $500 a month or $1,000. Okay, it's all about duplication. Guys, if you can make $500 a month and live good, I know that you can duplicate that times 2, times 2, times 2. You just got to hang in there and produce content. Make it fun. Don't make it an agonizing mess. Like, oh God, it's like mowing the lawn on a Sunday when you want to watch football, or snowing, or shoveling the snow while it's snowing. I mean, there's a lot of pain in the butt things out there, but producing content online, come on. It's kind of fun. All right. It's not heavy lifting. So, all right, guys, joincory.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and find me on Facebook. I'm easy to find. Go ahead and bookmark that. If you have any questions, inbox me at Facebook. I don't mind. You can email me, of course, at that Cory@CoryDraper.com. And below the video, if you have any questions, just go ahead and comment right there. And I see all your comments. Okay. I always get a notification when you guys write stuff. Okay. All right. Have a good day and enter that contest. If you're already in Live Good, let's get you $5,000 a week and maybe $10,000 on that January 3rd giveaway. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye.